Have you ever gone camping expecting a relaxing outdoor cooking experience, only to end up carrying multiple pieces of gear just to make breakfast, grill lunch, and cook dinner? For many campers, the biggest challenge isn't finding a stove, it's finding one piece of equipment that can do everything well without taking up half the vehicle. That's exactly the problem the Coleman 1900 Collection 3-in-1 propane camping stove is designed to solve. The Coleman 1900 Collection 3-in-1 propane camping stove combines a traditional camp stove, a grill, and a griddle into a single portable cooking system. Built for campers, tailgaters, outdoor adventurers, RV travelers, and families who enjoy cooking outdoors, it aims to simplify meal preparation while offering more versatility than a standard camp stove. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. One of the first things that stands out is the design. Unlike many modern camping stoves that focus entirely on utility, the 1900 Collection has a more premium and classic appearance. Coleman created this series to celebrate more than a century of outdoor living, and the result is a product that feels a little more refined than the average campsite cooker. The finish looks clean and timeless, while the overall construction gives off a reassuring sense of durability. The cast iron grill and griddle accessories immediately elevate the experience. Cast iron tends to retain heat exceptionally well, which translates into more consistent cooking performance and better results when grilling meats or preparing breakfast foods. More importantly, these accessories don't feel like afterthoughts. They feel like integral parts of the system, giving users genuine flexibility instead of simply adding extra pieces to the box. Build quality throughout the unit feels solid. The heavy-duty latch secures everything when packed away, and the built-in carry handle makes transportation straightforward. While it's not the lightest camping stove available, the extra weight largely comes from the cast iron components, which many outdoor cooks will gladly accept in exchange for improved cooking performance. The included carrying case is another practical touch that makes storage and transport easier. Setting up the stove is simple and beginner-friendly. The matchless lighting system allows you to ignite the burners with the push of a button, eliminating the need for matches or lighters. It sounds like a small convenience, but when you're setting up camp early in the morning or cooking after sunset, that simplicity becomes surprisingly valuable. When it comes to real-world performance, this is where the Coleman 1900 Collection begins to separate itself from many traditional camping stoves. The dual adjustable burners provide plenty of flexibility for preparing different foods simultaneously. You can boil water on one side while cooking eggs, bacon, or vegetables on the other. The ability to create separate cooking zones gives users more control over meal preparation and reduces the stress of managing multiple dishes at once. The 24,000 BTUs of cooking power provide enough heat for most outdoor cooking situations. Whether you're making coffee at sunrise, preparing burgers for lunch, or cooking dinner for the family, the stove delivers dependable performance. Heat distribution feels consistent, especially when using the cast iron accessories, which help eliminate some of the hot spots that can occur with lighter cooking surfaces. The integrated wind guards are another feature that proves their value during actual use. Outdoor cooking conditions are rarely perfect, and even moderate wind can affect burner performance. The guards help shield the flame, allowing the stove to maintain more stable temperatures and reducing fuel waste. Noise levels are minimal, as expected from a propane stove. Maintenance is also relatively straightforward. The removable grill and griddle components can be cleaned separately, and the overall design avoids unnecessary complexity. While cast iron requires slightly more care than some alternative materials, many outdoor cooks will find the cooking benefits worth the extra effort. Overall, the Coleman 1900 Collection 3-in-1 propane camping stove delivers a thoughtful combination of versatility, durability, and cooking capability. It solves one of the most common outdoor cooking frustrations by replacing multiple pieces of equipment with a single system that genuinely performs well. If you enjoy cooking real meals outdoors rather than simply heating food, this is definitely a product worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest outdoor gear reviews. And if you're interested in checking the latest pricing and availability, you'll find a link waiting for you in the description below.